Hey everyone, welcome back. It's November 16th, and I haven't done anything in the realm of being out in the garage working on stuff, or much less going over to Rudy's. I haven't I haven't been over there in almost 2 weeks. I've been working minimum 60 to 70 hour weeks, and I'm just trying to make hay while the sun shines, so to speak, and haven't been doing much at all other than working and being with my daughter. So that's been about it. But today I'm going to fire up the H, and we're going to take it outside just for some photos, because I've been wanting to do this since we got it finished. I want to get a nice photo of it on a fresh blanket of white snow, because I think that International Red will really pop on a fresh blanket of white snow. So gonna do that, and then hang up some Christmas decorations. So
when was the last time I overdid anything?
that's what's on my agenda for today. Probably get Ray outside for a little bit to play in the snow, and then it's off to dance tonight. So anyways, that's what I've got going on today. Let's get the H fired up and get it out in the snow.
neck for me, Clark.